Hello everyone, Carmine from New York here on a chilly December morning here in New York City at the lovely Richmond Town Historic Restoration. This is a lovely place to come and sit and take photographs. What are we using today? Guys, this is the 2001 Fujifilm Q1 APS film camera. If you're not familiar with APS, it was known as Advantix from Kodak. It's long gone, that film size. Film cartridges is long gone, but you can buy not only the cameras on eBay very inexpensively, and the film, yes, it's going to be 15 years old. The film, it's going to be expired. But remember the rule of thumb, just increase your exposure by one stop, whether it's an f-stop. Whoop, freezing. Hold on. Sorry, my notes blew away. You just increase your exposure by one stop, whether it's one f-stop or one shutter speed. You would slow down the shutter by one shutter speed for every 10 years of the film's expiration. Okay, so this camera, the Q1, with a fujinon autofocus lens, I might add, is very, oh sorry, there's a lot of traffic, is very interesting. It's a 2001 film camera, all plastic, built-in flash, autofocus 22mm f8 lens. f8 doesn't change, the 1/100th shutter speed, not adjustable. The only thing that's adjustable is the autofocus. Now, this is my first endeavor into APS film. I've been a 35mm film shooter, 120 medium format film shooter, etc., but nothing like this. This camera actually is quite comfortable to use. It's a point and shoot. It does have a pass-through viewfinder. It's very interesting. In 2003, about, Fuji did come out with the digital Q1. It didn't have autofocus. It had a 1.92 megapixel sensor. They're quite expensive actually. If you find a working one, I'm going to pass on that. Even though this film is not 35mm, many people confuse it with 35mm. It's like a 23mm film. If you were to open it, I'll show you a picture here. There's only a few sprocket holes, only on the bottom or the top, depending on how you hold it. This way, there's two sprocket holes. They separate each frame. So on the back, there's really just the screen that shows you your battery level. It's blinking because I just finished shooting photographs here at historic Richmond Town in New York City. It says you have no shots left. The battery is full because I did put in a new lithium CR2 battery, which can be found anywhere. I have bunches of these batteries, the CR2 batteries. They go in many things, especially around the house. So it's a good idea to have them. Now it's freezing out. It's below freezing. And the lithium battery is pretty unaffected, like an alkaline battery would be in the cold weather. All right, so back on the rear of the camera, right, you have, let's see, did it timed out, right? So you have, let's see, so on the back of the camera, right, you do have the viewfinder, which is very nice, and it has this switch that says C and H. It's for cropped, and for H is for full frame, let's just say. So I just shot it on full frame. The cropped was an idea that when you got your prints back, it kind of looked like a Polaroid with an extra wide margin of white on the bottom to make it look like a Polaroid. The lens, I'm really hoping, I have not seen the photos yet, I'm sending it out. It's a C41 film. I do process C41 film, but not this APS cartridge. It's a rare bird. And anyway, I don't know if my reels would fit, and yes, they're adjustable. My 35mm reels are adjustable in the darkroom, but why bother? Let's just have a professional do it. The price, I'll give you the price in the comments below of what I paid for the camera, the film, expired film, and the processing. The processing, I'm going to send it out. I'll put all the details below. They're not a sponsor. I'll tell you how much they charge for processing the film, sending me scans only, no prints. I'm going to make my own prints. And for returning the negatives. It's very rare. A lot of places, they're like, oh, we're just going to throw out your negatives unless you pay extra for us to return it. So I'll put all the details in the comments below. Let's see, so you would load the film. Now this is expired, right? I just finished. You take this little switch and you twist it left to right like this, and you would pop it up and out comes the film. But before I take it out, I hope you can see the X? It tells you this roll is fully expired. And here we go. Not expired. The X on the bottom says that this roll of film is fully exposed. Send it out for processing. And this is what the cartridge looks like. You would be fooled, I would be fooled, if this was 35mm, but it's not. It's slightly smaller. It's 24mm, which was part of its demise. Now you see, I want to put it back in, and it will not let you because this is an exposed roll of film. So we'll just close it up. So I'll show you the battery compartment. It's right there. There's the CR2 lithium battery. All right, very good for this cold weather, and it'll last a very long time. Built-in flash. Here's the sensors for the autofocus, and watch the built-in lens cap. So the film is expired. And we're going to send it out, and let's look at the photographs that I took today here in New York City. Let's look at them now.